Spanish is very important for the volunteers because it's the first contact that they have with the culture and the people. They will be able to speak something or to understand more about the culture, about the country, about the people, and about the things that they are going to work.
And that's the beginning of immerse to a new culture. You know, staying with a host family, different culture, different food, environment, language, which is important. So that first day of school, so we make an evaluation session as well for the students just to make sure about their level of Spanish, so we can assign the right class and the right teacher for them, and they start just learning the language right away.
I came with having never had any kind of formal Spanish class, and I think the teaching here is really incredible in that the whole experience is like very well thought out. The homestay is great because I get to practice my Spanish and I'm forced to. The language lessons themselves are really thorough and starting from literally zero to now I think technically an intermediate level.
It's not like only writing and reading, but it's a bit more interactive. We play a lot of games, and yeah, that's why it's kind of fun, and it's nice to further develop yourself. The people there are really, really friendly, really nice. They're really caring, asking if everything's all right. If you have a problem, they take care of your problems. I really appreciate that.
We do offer extra activities after classes. For example, we do offer a dancing class where students have the possibility to learn how to dance salsa, merengue, and bachata.
I did it, and it's really difficult, to be honest, especially at the beginner, learning language, but it's really fun, so I had to laugh all the time.
But as well, we do have a cooking class. So this is a way for students also to learn how we cook, very local and typical Costa Rican food.
It was very nice because it was a big group and we all came together to cook.
It's just only 15 to 20 minutes walking distance from our school to the center of the city. They can do many things because this is such a small country as well, with many possibilities and opportunity to do some traveling around without any problems, even for one weekend. The result of the experience always has been positive, always, and not only as a group, but also individuals as well.